Hello everyone, this is Tara and I'm back again with one more unboxing. So the drop 2 of Takashi Murakami collaboration with Louis Vuitton is out now on the website. So it was officially launched on 21st. So there are gonna be 3 drops of Takashi Murakami x Louis Vuitton this year. So first drop was done and over with. That was the multicolor and the flat flower, and this, the cherry blossom, is their second drop, and there will be another drop which will happen in May. So that will be cherries. So I got myself 2 bags from the first drop, which was multicolor and the flat flower, and from the second drop I ordered 1 bag so far, and to my surprise the order arrived exactly in 12 days. So which really made me happy, because the last order, which was multicolor, took almost 2 months, exactly 2 months for the Nano Speedy and 1.5 months for the Never Full. So yeah, that was all the story behind, and let's go and unbox what I got. And also let me tell you guys why I received this bag so quickly, because my client advisor in Louis Vuitton told me that this is the only bag in Mumbai, India, that I got, because I bought 2 bags from their first drop. So those who has not bought anything from the first drop, it's very unlikely that they are receiving order from the second drop. So which is very surprising, and I think the brand is keeping its exclusivity, or it's their strategy, I don't know. But it was also to my surprise that many order got cancelled from the cherry blossom. They literally cancel only because they have not ordered anything from the first drop. So that's a different debate altogether. So let me share my joy with you all, my beautiful YouTube family, friends, and let's go and unbox. So this is something very beautiful, you guys. I think by my caption by now you already know. And I think in India I only own this piece. I think no one else has this piece, and unboxing is coming late because I was traveling and I could not pick my order. So I'm back in town yesterday and I went to the store and collect my piece, and here is the unboxing now. So are you guys ready and excited like me? I'm super excited. So the beautiful bag is here. Here we go. Are you ready for this beauty? Here she is. This is the Pochette, you guys. So this Pochette is to die for. This is so beautiful. So this is they have redone it after 20 years. This Pochette that time became so popular that it was featured in many TV shows, also in Hollywood. So let me go and do the proper unboxing. So with this, they will give you one tiny strap, and this chain strap. You guys, this chain strap is so rich. I think I can use it somewhere else also. This is so rich and such a nice gold finish in it. I really like the chain strap. So yeah, so this is how the inside of the bag, very beautiful soft pink suede leather, and inside you have one inner this is not zipped, just one compartment, 2 compartments, very soft and beautiful, and bow detailing, and this hardware, lock hardware. For this they have given the pouch to keep the lock. If you want to, I think you can remove the lock because it has key also inside. So I pre-booked this item on, I think, the time when I went to pick my orders. So exactly from the date of booking, my order arrived in 12 days, and to my surprise, Louis Vuitton has cancelled all the order from the people who has not ordered anything for the multicolor. So maybe that's why this is the only piece in India which I received so far, which make me happy also. There's this key, and this is the pouch. And let's go and see. So zip, let me check the zip. The zip is very smooth. So you have two options. So let me do the official removal of the sticker. So they have put the sticker here. They have nicely done it. So I have to remove it very carefully, otherwise that glue can stick to the hardware and it may not look that good. So this is quite a task, it looks like. Okay. Okay, perfect. All right, there you go. There you go. So it has LV written in it, LV here also, and another sticker to remove. Yeah, that is glued very securely, it looks like. And you guys, let me know in the comment if you guys are watching it from India, because my client advisor told me that this is the only piece in Mumbai. This is the first pochette, and they have cancelled most of the order because they didn't buy anything from the first drop. Just let me know if you are watching from Delhi or Bangalore or anywhere else from India. Let me know if you guys own anything from the Cherry Blossom collection, and let me know in the comment what was your experience about the drop 2. So I have removed the sticker successfully, and this is the LV detailing there guys. This chain is so rich, so nice. So I'm this pochette kind of girl, you know. Mostly I carry very light stuff, so I'll show you all what fits in also. Stay tuned. So this is how you put the chain. So it's on you if you want to completely take the chain, or if you want to put both the strap together, you can do that as well. So you can, this is just with the chain, this is how it looks just with the chain. Okay, so let me put the strap also together and see how does it look. So for the strap, okay, I have to put one here. I have to figure it out now. So let me put it here, and this side will go. Okay, I have to figure it out, you guys. So this side will go till. Okay, let me figure this thing out quickly. Okay, this looks like I have to do this here, and then okay, so I'll figure this out later, and I can post another video how I have placed this strap by now. So let me just continue with the chain. Okay, and I'll show you what fits in the pochette now. Okay, let's go and see what fits in the pochette. And this is canvas, and the print looks amazing from the front and from the back. And let me see if a bigger size phone fits, because iPhone 15 Pro, 16 Pro will fit in easily. So let me take a very big size phone for the reference and see if it fits in. It fits in completely fine. And let me put one lip gloss and one this is also lipstick. This fits fine. And one eye pencil if you want, and one card holder. Okay, card holder also fits in, and a compact if you want to, you know, put in a little for the outdoors. So compact also fits. House key fits completely fine. And if also, let me see, I fit in all this completely fine. Okay, so it zipped completely nicely now. See, after all this looks small but fits a lot, whatever we girls need when we go out. So it's fitting almost all your essential. So let me go and see if it fits a foundation bottle also. I don't know from where I got this idea. to see if a foundation bottle fits in. So it looks like it fits in well too. So let me put it nicely. Oh my god, you guys, don't go by the size. This bag fits a lot. So it's all on you how you place the bottle. If you want to place it like this, it will fit. It will fit, you guys. So many stuff has already fit in this pochette. If you want to fit the bottle like this, it will just give this shape of the bag, but it fits a lot. So this is very surprising that the pochette fits so much, and this is good for your day wear or for the evening. So I was so torn between the speedy and the pochette because I don't want to buy both two bags again, because I already have the Neverfull, which has flower in it. So this is also flower, then speedy will also be having flower. So too many flowers in so many bags, so that's why I dropped the speedy and I went for this one, and it looks like my decision was the best decision so far. So okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and just let me know in the comment how you like this bag. Let me know how was your experience with the Louis Vuitton and for the cherry blossom collection. And meanwhile, I'll just try to figure it out how to put this tiny strap, but it doesn't matter. The bag with the chain looks so amazing. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and do subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And this is it for now. Thank you so much.